rätt kul att höra faktiskt. Det är något gott att höra när någon berättar så.
Acoustic tiles on the ceiling and the walls all the way down, and the floor tiles here. It's all original. When Sam moved out in 1960, when his lease was up, for 25 years, 706 Union Avenue was still rented out. This place sat empty. It was once a barber shop and a scuba gear and dive shop, which is very ridiculous. The nearest ocean's 8 hours away. During that whole Beach Boys Surf Craze thing. But there was a huge Sun Records fan. Malcolm Hildington walked through that door. Upstairs in the museum is that was never part of the studio. It used to be a boarding house. And it was 4 separate rooms, and quite a few musicians who traveled through and recorded here crashed upstairs, like Roy Orbison in '56, Johnny Cash. That was only when his wife kicked him out of the house. That was quite often, and that's not a joke, it's for real. He got kicked out a lot. Next door, Sam Phillips used here in his recording studio during that time that Elvis Presley was recording. So yes, Elvis has sung into the microphone. Lick and kiss at your own risk. Done. Kind of not a joke either, but it has been done. But Sam gave us this microphone before he passed away in 2003. He was 80 years old, and this was one of 6 mics that he used to record with. He gave it to us for all y'all to take your pictures with. Go for it. Twist this knob right here. You can move the mic up and down, whatever you need. It needs to be oiled, I guess. But my only request, when y'all take your photos with the microphone, you've got to do your best rock star pose. I really don't care how you do it, what you do. Please, I beg you, no boring vacation photos. I've seen a lot of those. Mesa. So rock out, do some lunges, and it's all good. And finally, if y'all enjoyed the tour, you had a great time here.
Yes.
There is a tip box located right outside the door as you exit out back into the gift shop. And I am the guilty person of tossing the 5 in there already. I did do that. Kind of get the jar going. The tips are very much appreciated. So thank you all so very much for coming on down. If you do have questions, just come talk to me. My name is Cora. Again, also, anyone driving out there, be careful. The roads are slick. In Memphis, people do not know how to drive in snow. It's very true. It's very, very true. Well, have a great day. Thank you so much. Happy birthday!